Your home is where you and your family live, play, and relax. It is a place of comfort, and it's where you feel safe. But the air you're breathing may not be. Our homes are filled with invisible airborne contaminants. Normal household filters are not effective at removing anything but the largest particles. For each large particle of airborne dust that a typical air filter might capture, there are millions of other smaller particles that it can't, including microscopically small pathogens, such as bacteria and viruses, and hundreds of airborne chemical compounds. These contaminants will be inhaled deep into the lungs and absorbed into the bloodstream. From there, they are transported to every organ in the body, including the brain. Doctors and scientists agree it's these smallest contaminants that are the greatest threat to our health. The problem with removing the smallest airborne contaminants is they are unaffected by normal air movement in the home, and they remain suspended in the air, like fruit and gelatin. There they stay unless something is done to remove them. But SecureAire works differently, proven in demanding clean room and hospital operating room environments. SecureAire's active particle control technology represents an evolutionary breakthrough in how airborne particles, pathogens, and chemical compounds are controlled in your living space. Once installed in your heating and air conditioning system, SecureAire's active particle control begins removing airborne contaminants from every room in your home. Those contaminants are brought back to the air purification cartridge, where they are captured. The pathogens are inactivated and killed, and chemical compounds are broken down into harmless basic elements. Those airborne particles that avoid capture are reconditioned and sent back into the home to act like microscopic magnets and sponges, attracting and absorbing airborne contaminants and returning them to the air purifier for removal. Along with keeping the air that you breathe so much healthier, the SecureAire air purifier is also protecting your heating and air conditioning system from dirt buildup, so you will have fewer maintenance issues. It will last much longer, provide you with more comfort, and save you money on your utility bills. With SecureAire, you have the peace of mind knowing that your air purification system is constantly at work, protecting you and your family with the safest, healthiest, and cleanest air possible today.